2 out of every 3 people watching this right now do not trust their mechanic. That's not a guess. That's a staggering 63% of drivers according to the AAA. And honestly, I don't blame you. After years in the industry, I've seen the dark side of the garage, the padded invoices, the phantom repairs, and the psychological traps designed to drain your savings. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the 13 most common scams used to exploit your trust. Stick around until the very end because I'm giving you my golden rule, a single 5-second tactic that makes you instantly unscammable no matter how much you know about cars. Let's dive in. Scam number 1, the urgent fluid flush. We've all heard it, your coolant looks like swamp water. If we don't flush it today, your engine is toast. It sounds urgent, right? That's the point. Mechanics push flushes at 30,000 miles because it's high-margin, low-effort work. In reality, most modern long-life fluids are engineered for 50,000 to 100,000 miles. They'll show you a dirty sample, but how do you know that fluid even came from your car? Before you say yes, ask for a chemical test strip or refractometer reading. If they can't prove the pH level is off or the protection is broken down, they're just selling you expensive Kool-Aid. Trust your owner's manual, not a salesman with a clipboard. Scam number 2, the mystery check engine light. That little amber glow of doom on your dash is a mechanic's favorite payday. They'll tell you it could be a $1,200 catalytic converter. But did you know the EPA found that 10% of these lights are triggered by something as simple as a loose gas cap? Stop paying a $150 diagnostic fee just to have someone read a code. Spend $20 on a basic OBD2 scanner. I've linked my favorite one below. Plug it in, get the code like a P0455 for an evap leak, and Google it. Knowledge is power. If it's just a dirty MAF sensor or a loose cap, you've just saved yourself a $1,000 mystery repair. Scam number 3, unnecessary air filter replacements. This is the oldest trick in the book. The technician walks into the waiting room holding a filter filled with leaves and dead bees. Look how much your engine is choking. But here's the question, is that actually your filter? Scams involving shop filters kept in the back to scare customers are real. Most filters last 15,000 to 30,000 miles. If you're unsure, pop the hood yourself. It takes 30 seconds. If it's not gray or black, it's fine. Pro tip, sign your name on the edge of your filter with a Sharpie. If they bring you a dirty one without your signature, you just caught them red-handed. Scam number 4, upselling synthetic oil. You really should upgrade to synthetic to protect that engine. It sounds like good advice, but it's often a profit patter. While synthetic is superior in extreme heat or for turbo engines, Consumer Reports confirms that 75% of cars on the road run perfectly on conventional or synthetic blends. If your manual says 5W30 conventional is fine, then paying double for full synthetic is like putting premium gas in a lawnmower. It doesn't make it faster, it just makes you poorer. Check your oil cap. If it doesn't explicitly say full synthetic required, stick to the manual and keep that extra $40 in your pocket. Scam number 5, the brake pad scare. Brakes are the ultimate fear cell because they involve your safety. A mechanic might tell you, you're at 10% life, it's dangerous. 10% sounds scary, but that might actually mean you have 3,000 miles of safe driving left. Legally, pads are gone at tomb. Many shops push them at 5 or 6, essentially half their life. Ask to see the pads yourself with a measurement gauge. If they're not at the red mark on the gauge, you have time. Don't let a maybe repair turn into a $500 emergency today. Scam number 6, fake factory-only parts. You have to use OEM parts or you'll void your warranty. This is a flat-out lie. Unless you're driving a rare supercar, high-quality aftermarket parts from brands like Bosch or Denso often come off the exact same assembly lines as the factory parts, just without the 300% markup. The National Automotive Parts Association found that nearly 90% of aftermarket parts match OEM performance. Why pay $200 for a starter motor with a car brand logo when the $80 version is the same part in a different box? Always ask. Is there a CAPA-certified aftermarket alternative? Scam number 7, overcharging for simple fixes. This scam relies on your maintenance anxiety. They'll charge you $150 to change a cabin air filter. Let's do the math. The filter costs $15 and it takes roughly 4 minutes to swap behind your glove box. They are charging you $135 for 4 minutes of work. The same goes for wiper blades or light bulbs. These aren't repairs, they're tasks. Before you approve any small fix, search YouTube for your car plus cabin filter. If a teenager can do it in a driveway, you shouldn't be paying MasterTech labor rates for it. Scam number 8, the phantom repair. This is the most infuriating one. You pay for a fuel system cleaning or a transmission service, but the mechanic never actually does the work. They just wipe down the outside of the parts so they look clean. The FTC estimates billions are lost to this annually. How do you stop it? Ask for your old parts back. If they say they already threw them away, that's a massive red flag. For fluid services, check the dipstick or the reservoir immediately after the fix. If the fluid isn't crystal clear, the work wasn't done. Scam number 9, your warranty is voided lie. Dealer service centers are notorious for this. They claim that if you get your oil changed at a local shop, your factory warranty is canceled. This is a violation of the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. Federal law protects your right to service your car anywhere. As long as you keep your receipts and the service meets the manufacturer's specs, your warranty is ironclad. Don't let them bully you into $150 oil changes just to keep the warranty alive. Scam number 10, blinker fluid and other fake products. It sounds like a joke, but upsell additives are the blinker fluid of the real world. Shops will try to sell you engine oil fortifiers or AC recharge boosters. Modern oil and gasoline already have millions of dollars of chemistry and additives built in. Adding a $20 bottle of mystery juice at the shop usually does nothing but dilute what's already working. If your car is running fine, it doesn't need vitamins. Scam number 11, the shock strut upsell. I noticed some weeping on your shocks. They need to be replaced. Shops love to replace shocks and struts based on mileage, the 50,000-mile rule, rather than actual wear. Don't believe a mileage estimate, use the bounce test. Go to the corner of your car, push down hard and let go. If the car bounces more than once and a half, the shocks are worn. If it snaps back and stays still, your shocks are perfectly fine. Don't let them sell you a $1,200 suspension overhaul based on a calendar. Scam number 12, inflated labor hours. Ever wonder how a 2-hour job gets done in 45 minutes but you still get billed for 2 hours? That's book time manipulation. While some shops use standardized guides, shady ones will double dip, charging you full labor for 2 different parts that are actually located in the same spot. Always check RepairPal or Google for the average labor time for your specific repair. If the shop is quoting 5 hours for a 2-hour job, ask them to explain the discrepancy. Honest shops will be transparent, scammers will get defensive. Scam number 13, the free inspection trap. Free is the most expensive word in the automotive world. A free multi-point inspection is often just a fishing expedition to find things to sell you. They'll find cracks in your belt, which are often normal surface wear, or play in your steering that doesn't exist. Never approve a repair that was discovered during a free inspection without seeing the physical evidence yourself. If they can't point to the problem and explain why it's a safety issue, it's not an inspection, it's an advertisement. The golden rule. I promised you one simple rule to never get scammed again, and here it is, the 24-hour second opinion. Unless your car is literally leaking brake fluid or is on fire, it is safe to drive for one more day. Never approve a surprise repair on the spot. Take the estimate, leave the shop, and call one other highly rated independent mechanic. Tell them the diagnosis and ask for a quote. 9 times out of 10, the urgent repair suddenly becomes not that bad or significantly cheaper. If this video helped you feel more confident for your next shop visit, hit that subscribe button and join our community of smart owners. Drop a comment below. What's the craziest repair a mechanic ever tried to sell you? I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.